So, in the previous episode, you saw me clearing out that slope and flattening the land or ground. That caught my neighbor's attention, and then he asked me what I was up to. So, the day after I discussed the plan with my neighbor, I couldn't sleep much, and the first thing I did in the morning was to go to Lowe's, hire their rental truck, and load it with the retaining blocks. Each block is around 20 lbs, and you can see that. So once I brought in the entire load, I unloaded it and then texted my neighbor. While I was at Lowe's returning the truck, my neighbor started off creating a lip for the blocks, which is 2 inches deep, and the width is like the blocks width. So after I returned from Lowe's, we started pouring the paver base and started creating that foundation for the first row of blocks. The good part of working with my neighbor is that he keeps teaching you while working and also lets you do some hands on. It is a very difficult task while you're doing some work. Teaching someone like me, it's more challenging than doing the actual project. So the other challenge was we kind of knew this before starting. There was a 30 to 40% chance of thunderstorms. So when we started off, the sky was blue, and then slowly the clouds crept in, and the sky went gray, and then it was all dark. And we had to stop the project there, clearing out all the tools to make sure they're not um, getting rusted. So we kind of lost the rest of the day, but the next day was amazing. There you saw the sunrise and then a look from the sky. The first text that I got on this day was from my neighbor asking me when can we start the work again. I mean, it's great to have neighbors who help, but it's amazing to have neighbors like him who is always there to help.